guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're at Bath and Body Works. I'm checking all these scented candles, smelling all the nice scent. Let me smell this one. Nah, I'm not gonna take this one at all. I'm just gonna go and smell some others and see. They have a Bath and Body Works sale, like a Christmas sale. They have all these Christmas decorations and all the niceness. So guys, let's take you on the tour. These are some nice candles. Let me smell this one, this green one right here. Let me smell it. It smells nice, but I just don't know which one to get, guys. I'm confused. At the moment, guys, we're getting pampered. David is getting his back massage. I could tell he's falling asleep because he's not moving. Hey, baby, wake up. Hey, wake up. You see, guys, he's knocked out. Looks like he's enjoying it, right? He's not waking up. He's not even moving. Okay, he's getting his back pampered. Blah, blah, blah. Boop, boop, boop. Time's up now, Papa. Wake up. It's my turn now. Ooh, I'm taking off my hat, fixing my hair, and let's get my hands up and let's get started. Ooh, yes. Ooh la la. It feels so good. Oh, yes. I could feel all my muscles in my neck and my back all loosen. It feels so good. It feels relaxing. I'm about to fall asleep. Guys, you should try get this type of back massage in the mall. It's so good. He's going in on my back. Yep, he's going in. Yeah. Since lately my back and my wrist keeps hurting me non-stop, and to tell you guys, this massage right here, oh boy, it loosened up every pain. My muscles were tense and now they're feeling a little bit more better because I have to do a lot of lifting, a lot of cleaning, and I'm so tiny. So yes guys, I enjoyed my massage. So guys, we just got our back massage. It was so good. I fell asleep. And babe, how was it?
It was good, it was good.
We're at the mall, guys. We got Bath and Body Works. So yes guys, we're going now to get more stuff. So stay tuned, guys.
Are we doing the thing?
David, guys, trying to get a shoes.
Larry said Monday.
Babe, what shoes you getting?
Timberlands.
Timberlands? And some what?
Aces.
Aces. He's getting some Timberland and Aces.
Damn. Same one of these. He just showed to me, I swear. And we got 11.5 of these.
Oh, I just gotta find it first.
It was somewhere around there. We grabbed it. The torches? Yeah. 11.5. Can you bring 11 and 11.5? Did you bring both of them? Thanks.
I think he's cute, guys. Look at him. Acting like he's cute.
So you're gonna buy one for me?
I'm not buying anything. I'm good.
I'm gonna do one card for one and one card for the other.
No, don't touch my card. No, I'm not. I'm dead ass. So guys, we're having a smoothie. I love me some smoothie.